In this video, I'm about to show you how to pay Chase's credit card bill with cash. To pay a credit card bill with cash, there are 3 ways to do it. If your credit card issue has a bank branch nearby, you can pay your credit card bill there. When you arrive, let the teller know that you wish to pay your bill and then provide your cash payment. Another potential way to pay a credit card bill may be to use an ATM that's within your issue's network. Then insert your card like used to make a withdrawal, but choose the option to make a payment instead. From there, follow the instructions to insert your cash to pay your bill. Before leaving, make sure the ATM counted your cash correctly. You can also pay your credit card with a money order. To do this, purchase a money order with cash. Money orders can be purchased at the variety of places, including the post office and many department stores and grocery stores. You can then mail that money order to your issuer to pay your bill. It's not recommended to mail cash directly to your issuer, as your money will likely not be protected if someone goes wrong or it gets lost. Whichever way you pay your bill with cash, make sure you get the receipt or some documentation. It's also worth noting that some issuers may have a limit on the amount you can pay in cash. So be sure to check your card's terms and conditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.